Welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe and share. Sometimes when you have a chimney, like a chimney on your roof, sometimes you find water coming in your ceiling and you want to know how is it. Oh, it's leaking. The shingle looking good, but it's leaking. Sometimes the problem comes right in the corner of the shingle and the chimney. Sometimes all these little gaps, water seep down through them. So you just grab a pan of this roof leak repair and you come and you try your best. I mean, you could do it yourself. You try your best and you try to seal. You see what I'm doing here? You try to seal all the corners around the chimney and any area you see like where water could go in. So this is very important. You can do it yourself. If you're afraid of heights, well then you gotta pay somebody. But most of the time where you get leaks is around your chimney and around the vents then. So I recommend you every 6 months you reseal around. See what I'm doing here? I'm resealing it so no water could go in, because right now water is going in. So this is what I'm doing. I'm resealing it and I'm gonna do it every 6 months, because sometimes when the target, the sun over the years, it crack and then it give water the room to go inside. So it's best you seal it every 6 months. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.